This is the National Weather Service weather briefing for the week of November 9th, 2020. Couple of highlights we'll run through. Warm weather is expected to continue throughout the week. Slight chances for precipitation will return to the forecast for Tuesday as well as for the weekend. And we'll do a brief tropics update. Today we do have high pressure across the eastern portion of the United States, and the ridge axis extends back into our forecast area. We have had a lot of moisture returning into the region over the last few days, however, and we do have partly to mostly cloudy skies expected today, and our highs should reach into the upper 70s to the lower 80s. Tonight, those clouds will continue, and our overnight lows will drop to the low to mid 60s. Going into tomorrow night, we do have a cold front that's approaching the area, and given the amount of moisture that we've had return to the region, we are expecting some precipitation chances for the eastern portion of the forecast area along the Mississippi-Alabama border east of I-55. So again, the forecast for tomorrow, we have our highs in the mid to upper 70s and approaching 80 in the west. And those precipitation chances for Tuesday afternoon into the overnight for areas east of 55. We have another low pressure system that'll be moving out of the plains and into the Mississippi River Valley for the weekend. So on Saturday night, those rain chances are going to return as we have a warm front lifting through the area ahead of the system, and then the cold front that follows as well. Looking at the tropics, we do have a disturbance out in the middle of the Atlantic that has a 50% chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 48 hours, but a 70% over the next 5 days. So that is something we're going to be keeping an eye on. In addition to that, we do have Tropical Storm Eta that is entering the Gulf. Currently at the 9 a.m. advisory, it is just west of the Dry Tortugas. It is expected to change from its current motion of southwest at 14 miles an hour, eventually to the north, and move through the eastern Gulf, impacting Florida Panhandle by this weekend. Thank you for viewing. These briefings are usually conducted on Mondays and sometimes on Thursdays. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please feel free to contact us.